Great is a nation that lays great emphasis on education. We at St. Anandram Jaipuria group of educational institutions are laying the foundation for new age education.
It is the education that goes beyond mere acquiring of knowledge. It is the education that focuses equally on knowledge, skills, attitudes and values.
Our endeavor is to build 21st century skills of creativity, communication, collaboration, and critical thinking.
We follow new age pedagogy comprising of design thinking, technology immersion, adaptive learning, experiential and socio-emotional learning. We believe that students become lifelong learners when they discover the joy of learning.
And they become confident achievers when they get industry exposure and develop a global perspective. They also become responsible citizens when they develop environmental consciousness and work towards sustainable growth and development.
From strong foundational learning to higher education, we are doing our level best to introduce new paradigm in Indian education system.
On this National Education Day, let's all take a pledge to empower India's youth with quality education and help to transform our country into knowledge superpower.
May India be the Vishwaguru in education once again. May education be the light that casts away the darkness of ignorance.
May education enlighten everyone's hearts and minds. Happy National Education Day.
So we at St. Anandram Jaipuria group of educational institutions pledge to empower, enthuse and excel.